Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Arctic Circle fry sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, Arctic Circle was a place that I used to hang out when I was in high school. It was right next to the high school, kind of like Arnold's on Happy Days, I guess. But it's a burger chain out in the west mostly of the United States. And they had awesome fries, and they had this awesome fry sauce that went with the French fries. So that's what I'm going to share with you now. In my research for this, I found out that the location next to the high school that I went to is no longer there, out in Oregon. So I've been back to Oregon a couple times since I left, but I never got a chance to revisit and see the Arctic Circle. So here's the sauce. Our ingredients are 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. All right, like we always do, get a big enough bowl for your ingredients. I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Everything will be down in the description box below with these ingredients and a link to Arctic Circle so you can check it out. And the buttermilk in there. Now all I'm going to do is just mix this all up. Alright, I'm going to try this out, see if it brings back any memories. Kind of. That buttermilk gives it a really different flavor. And I think what they did is they mixed the mayonnaise and the buttermilk together, and that was what went on the burger with shredded lettuce and the cheese if you wanted. And then they put the ketchup in it and mix that up to make the fry sauce for this. Very good. Very quick and very simple to get. I know buttermilk isn't a big staple anymore in people's refrigerators, but it is out there in the store. All you need is a couple tablespoons, so buy the small little jug for it. Very simple to make, very easy to make, but it's very good as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a like and a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment below, and then share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.